This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Marcus.Anderson. Wow! Under construction, 6-month delivery. Gorgeous new construction located in a quiet community. Open floor plan west/first floor bedroom. Laminate wood floors and modern lighting. Gourmet kitchen boasts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and modern cabinets. Tray ceilings and recessed lighting in master bedroom. Bathrooms include double vanity and tile floors/showers. Detached garage. This home will not last. For more information, review the details below.